Is your Android phone stuck on the logo, leaving it unusable? Don't worry, in this video, we'll uncover the reasons behind this issue and share 10 easy fixes, including the most effective solution to get your device back to normal. Part 1. Why is my Android phone stuck on logo screen? 1. Software issues. Malware or faulty updates. Corrupt OS or unsafe apps. 2. Hardware issues. Faulty parts, storage, or battery. 3. User errors, unsafe apps or improper mods. Part 2. How to fix Android phone stuck on logo screen. Solution 1. Charge your device. Solution 2. Reinsert the battery. Solution 3. Clear system cache. Solution 4. Get into recovery mode. Solution 5. Force reboot your phone. Solution 6. Boot into safe mode. Solution 8. Enter download mode Samsung only. Solution 9. Perform a factory reset. Part 3. How to fix Android stuck on logo screen with a specialized tool. An Android phone stuck on the logo is a common issue often caused by system problems. This is a frequent repair scenario for Android Repair, a tool with years of experience in fixing system-related issues. Step 1. Initiate the installed software on your computer and navigate to the System Repair section on the main interface. Step 2. Connect your Android device to the computer using a USB cable and select the Android Repair option. Review the displayed information and click on Start. Step 3. Proceed by entering your device's details and click Next. Then, input 00000 and select Confirm. Step 4. To enter download mode. For devices equipped with the Home button, power off your phone. Then simultaneously press the Home, Power, and Volume Down buttons for 10 seconds. Release all buttons, then press the Volume Up button to access download mode. For devices without a Home button, power off, press Bixby, Power, and Volume Down for 10 seconds, then Volume Up to enter download mode. Step 5. In download mode, click Next to download firmware and fix the issue.